Are you looking for a delicious brownie recipe to take to a Christmas party? Well, today we're sharing a recipe for Oreo Reese's Fudge Brownies. Check it out and please let us know if you like this recipe. If you do, be sure to check in the description for a link to the full recipe. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients that you'll need for the Oreo Reese's Fudge Brownies. You'll need salt, you'll need 4 eggs, 3/4 of a cup of butter, so that's 1.5 sticks, not 2 sticks. White sugar, coconut sugar, well the recipe calls for brown sugar, but I'm substituting. Cocoa powder, all-purpose flour, and Reese's Pieces and Oreos. It doesn't take as many, like a whole party size pack or anything. It takes like 14. But I am using the Oreos for a different recipe as well. So let's get started. You need just a little bit of prep work before you start the recipe. You need to chop your Oreo cookies and you need to melt the butter. I've got the butter over there melting and I'm going to quickly chop up this. In our mixing bowl, we're going to pour the butter in and the cocoa powder. Mix that together. Now we're going to add all the sugar that we have set out. The salt, and we're going to mix that well. Now we're going to stir in our eggs one at a time. Flour. So now what we're going to do is we're going to mix in our Reese's Pieces and our Oreos. This also might be a great recipe to keep in mind for Halloween. If you're doing a party, those Reese's Pieces colors would be really good for Halloween. I was supposed to reserve a little bit to go on top as sprinkles, but that's okay. I have enough Reese's Pieces and enough Oreos to just add a little bit more, so I'll do that. Okay, so you need a 9x13 dish, and you need to make sure that you have sprayed it with cooking spray or put oil on it. I put olive oil. We don't do cooking spray ourselves, but that's the gist, something to work it like that. So you're just going to put your mixture down. For a minute I thought I had flour peeking through, that I didn't mix it well, but now it hit me. It's the cream out of the Oreos that's looking like that. So we're just going to sprinkle a few Reese's Pieces on top. And I chopped up a few more Oreos, and we're just going to lay those on top. Now we're just going to put this in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes, and we'll just look for a toothpick to come out clean. And yeah, we have the oven on 350 degrees. So let's do that. All right, so we have got this out of the oven. It could have probably cooked longer. I tend to be one who likes my brownies to be a little on the softer side. So I didn't cook it quite as long as probably some people would want it to be. So I like, it said 18 to 20 minutes. So I still went 20 minutes. But when I did the test with the toothpick, it was still not quite to the point where it was cooked all the way through. Like it still had a little bit of moisture to it. Sorry, couldn't think of a different word to explain that. But anyway, so we're going to go ahead, and I've been letting it set for a few minutes. We're going to go ahead and cut into it and take a picture of it, then do a little taste test. Alrighty, here we are. I just took out a couple of pieces. I actually put one there for Joel, but then he stepped out, so he's not here to actually taste it. Okay, so just me for this taste test. I mean, seriously, how could that go wrong? Reese's Pieces, Oreos, brownie. Need I say more? So good. Definitely make this. And like I said while I was making it, this would be great for Christmas, but it would be really good for Halloween. Just saying, keep it, save it, and then remind yourself next year that you're going to make this. But also, make it for Christmas. Yeah, do it for both. We hope that you enjoyed today's recipe and would love to know if you plan to try it. If you would like to see another one of our Christmas treat videos, we're going to put it right here on the screen. If you found value in this video, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and hyping our video to help us with the algorithm. And until the next video, we want to thank you for watching. Don't forget, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace. Merry Christmas!